Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing fashion sale poster. So if you also want to create this, then keep watching our video till the end guys. Because at the end, we are going to show you some more examples just like this. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page. And now we are going to change the background to black. After this, we created a folder from the name shopping design. And I selected all the elements from the element section only. So you can simply select these elements from there. So first of all, I selected this girl's photo and removed its background. And now I'm going to flip it horizontally. Now removing the express space, and now I'm going to fix it in the page. Also, its name is Happy Shopping Girl, so you can simply search for this in the element section. Okay guys, after this I am using this purple neon circle ring. So I just selected it and now I'm going to adjust it. Okay, after this I sanded it to back. Now adjusting it a bit more. And now it's done. Again moving to our folder shopping design and now selecting this watercolor round shape. Now again we are going to send it to back and then going to adjust it. Also guys, while I'm adjusting it, a video is flashing in your I button. So you can check out that video as well after watching this one to add more creativity to your graphic design journey. Okay, now adjusting that ring and the watercolor circle with each other. And now grouping these two with each other. Okay, now it's done. Now again moving to our folder and now from here we are going to select this ring. After selecting this, removing the extra part. And after removing the extra part, we are going to adjust it in all over the page. Like this way, as you can watch in your screens. So you also have to do it in the same way. Also guys, if you're liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video and also do subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time whenever we post a new stuff. Okay guys, now moving to text section and select a text box from here. And now in this we are going to write fashion sale. Also guys, here we mistaken with the spelling of fashion, so please correct it. Okay, now adjusting the elements in the page a bit more. And it's done. Now changing the fashion sale text color to yellow. And now after this we are going to duplicate the text and going to apply some effect here on the duplicate part. So first of all, sended it to back, and now we are applying some effect. So we applied that neon effect in it, and now changing the duplication part color to blue, and especially the darkest blue. Okay guys, after this we are going to select the sale text from the text section, and now going to send it to the back of the girl. After this we are going to adjust this text as well. Just doing it properly guys. This process is going to be little bit of time taking guys, but believe me, its results are going to amaze you. Also guys, while I'm adjusting it, you can check out the Canva playlist of our channel if you want to know about more such creative ideas to continue your graphic designing journey. Link is in the description below. Just doing it properly guys, and now it's done. Okay, so after this we are going to download it, and after downloading, here we have our final post. So guys, what do you think about this fashion sale poster? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, we have some more examples for you like this one, and also like this one. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do share your comments with us about all these fashion sale posters. And that's it for today. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your beautiful selves.